Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off mobile data in our Samsung Galaxy S22. The fastest and the easiest way is to swipe from the top once again, and here we have our mobile data. It's now on. To turn it off, we simply tap it once and now it's off. Alternatively, we can go to settings, then connections, and here we have data usage, and the same option is right here. To turn it off, we simply tap it once and now it's turned off. As you can see, it's off. But here is this option is faster and more comfortable. Of course, we can tap and hold and we will be transported to this menu right there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.